Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Exploring MS. I am Nilima and today I want to share a very important piece of information that I've just gathered, just like last week. So, this is about the health insurance, right? So, I had been, paying for my health insurance, which was with Max Bupa, now Niva Bupa, since 2016. And in 2015, I was diagnosed with MS. At that point in time, I already had insurance with Future Generali. So my MS was covered with a Future Generali. I went ahead and I took another insurance with Niva Bupa, thinking that, maybe I will go ahead and take another insurance so that the rest of the diseases or illnesses should be covered. That was my thought. I think that was a mistake that I made. I thought since my MS was already covered with Future Generali, I'll take another health insurance and let that cover the rest of the diseases. That's what I thought. And I had not disclosed my condition, multiple sclerosis, at that point in time, which was 2016. So I was running both of them. I was paying one for Future Generali as my MS was covered, and I was also paying for Niva Bupa, right? I haven't claimed in any of those. I mean, the last I claimed with Future Generali was in 2018. After that, because I haven't been hospitalized, I haven't even claimed. And Niva Bupa also, I haven't been hospitalized, I haven't claimed. However, that was a blunder I made because I was told by someone that because I have not disclosed my condition with Niva Bupa, and tomorrow if I have to make any claim, they will mark it as they will not honor my claim because I was not honest with them. So I tried to justify that I already am running another insurance company where my MS is covered. So should I inform them also about it? And the answer was yes. So I thought, let me come clear to them. I messaged them, I emailed them that this was the case. I have been paying them, the insurance premium for like 9 years now. I haven't even taken a single claim, but I wanted to come clean. And there was a long discussion, and just wanted to let you know that my policy was discredited. So it is now cancelled. So whatever amount of money that I paid from past 9 years is now all gone. But I'm grateful about it. I'm thankful about it because had I not known this fact sooner, I would have been in a big mess. What if I would have, you know, uh, got hospitalized and then put on a claim? They would have just not given me, right? They would not have honored my claim. So that's something that I wanted to let you all know. If you are running health insurance from any of the companies and you haven't disclosed it, better that you disclose it to them or just let go because I don't think they will honor anymore. They just said that they cannot honor the policy. So I had to let go of it. And now the other news is that this Care Health Insurance, I was talking to them. They told me that they will, they will provide insurance for MS patients. The only difference is that they, as company, they will provide the insurance. They will pay if tomorrow we make a claim. They will pay 80%, and 20% has to be borne by the patient, which is still not bad, right? I'm yet to get on a call and discuss this thing with them, and very soon, hopefully, if everything goes fine, I will purchase that insurance. And the person that I was talking with from Care Health, he told me that to continue with Future Generali also, and go ahead and purchase another health insurance with Care. If tomorrow I have to get hospitalized, Care will cover 80% of it, and 20% is what I have to bear, right? Um, so I will get on a discussion with him. I'm yet to get on a call. I just hope I get it. Let me get the clarity on this health insurance bit, and once I purchase it, I'll let you guys know how was it, what are the terms and conditions, and what can be done. And very soon I'll share that information to you. But in this video, I really want to urge all of you, if you have been paying your health insurance premium and not you have not disclosed about MS with any of these health insurance companies, please go ahead and disclose it, and most likely they will cancel your insurance, but that's okay. It's better to be known now than to be in a mess later on, right? So that's very, very important piece of information that I wanted to share with each and every one of you. Hope you take the decision very carefully if you are in the same situation like I was. I hope this video helps, guys, and please do not forget to share it with anyone who needs to hear this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.
Share, join me, friends, I know you care. Exploring, and together we